bike, tools. You get it? So take out the seat first, obviously. Just one side. Okay, and here goes the other one. Remove both brackets. What's next? Shit, I don't know. Okay, you got 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So once you've done that, yeah, it's still not coming off. So meaning you're probably gonna have to remove this one here, because there's got to be a bolt here somewhere around here. I mean, of course there's a bolt. Obviously there is a bolt. What am I saying? I just removed these 2 here. Maybe it's possible. Maybe it's okay to, like, you know, reach these 2 here, so I don't need to remove the whole thing. But yeah, just like, you know, just to be sure. I don't want to break anything. So all right, well, I'll only remove the bolts that were on this side. I have to do the other side, and then yeah, as you can see. So okay, so the wiring is not insane. Indicators here, and the main thing, the right indicator, it's basically the green one. The couple of wires with the green, that includes the green, the yellow, green, and brown and white. Left indicator, it's just the other one, basically, you know, brown and green here. So that's it, you know. As I said, it's not the fucking lottery, you know. It's color coded. 2 bolts here, that's all you need to hold the new tail tie kit. Yeah, it comes with the it does come with the plate bracket. Okay, it's not on right now, but you just need to remove these 2 bolts, and then you know, you can, like, you know, do the plate thing. But then yeah, so it's already looking a bit more badass like this. I mean, I like it. So yeah, had to get back in, change t-shirts, get so sweaty in here. All right, so it's about done. Just to show you real quick. And that's it, guys, it's done. The tail kit is on, the plate is on. It's kind of giving it a MT-09 type of look. Kind of like it. And the next thing is to change the rear tire. 微风奔跑，自由是方向，追逐雷和闪电的力量，把浩瀚的海洋装进我胸膛，即使再小。And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and all that shit, you know.